Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Mr. Fix It is here again. So guys, today I'm doing a small fix on a wifey car. Simple fix. You know, a fix where sometimes most man not have time for. They rather take it to the mechanic shop. Or some just don't know that it is so that simple. Then can actually do it themselves. You understand what I say? So what I'm doing today, put on my gloves. Yeah. What I'm doing today, I'm changing some brake pads. Yeah, so this is wifey car, so you know you have to make sure wifey alright when wifey up on the road. Yes, ladies love them brakes and they love them gas. I tell you, I never go on a mechanic school to do nothing. So all I need is my 12 and one flat band screwdriver. That's all I'm gonna use. This I'm gonna use to pry the brake cylinder. So that's make you take out the brake pads and put in the new ones. And don't forget your jack. I have to jack up the car if you do all that. So we're about to jack up the car. So man, put the jack underneath now, I'm going to crack the nuts them and the wheel. Yeah. Whoa. You know what? Use my gun. Alright. Now we can jack up it, guys. So, jack him up. Next thing you want, you have to put something underneath the car. So I have a brick right there. Put the brick underneath there. One piece of board. Just in case the jack slip, you drop on that. Can't go nowhere. Now we can start. What may I do? Now you should be tire underneath it. We should be tire. But I not use the tire. I just use the brick. And right here guys. If you guys can see, so 12 here and a 12 down here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna loosen this one and you're gonna pull out this one and just flip this whole section up. But what I'm gonna do first is pry the cylinder back so you break this brake pads and can go in. Yes, that's it. Seems like it's fully all right. Now Like 12. Crack that one. Pull out this one. Alright. That's out. And this is all you do, just flip it back. Just like that. Remove the pads, just like that. Alright guys, so this one with the little clip here, this one goes on the inside at all times. That's it. This one, see, it has no clip on it. This goes on the outside. That's it guys. All you do, bring it down. So I need to go in. That's it guys. That's all you need to do. Job, finish, done, kaput. That's it guys. We're done. Let's put on back the wheel and we're good. Okay. I'm gonna catch these two. Put the other two on. Now get my lug tool. Just when I get your lug tool, you put some tight in pan with you. fit that. Tighten up with your hand. Okay. 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 So guys, that's how easy it is to change your brake pads. Anyone can do it. You just need the time and 2 pieces of tool. Away from you, your lug tool, you know you must, and your jack is a must. But all you're going to need is a 12, whether you use ratchet or spanner, and a screwdriver to press the cylinder in. That's all you need. Job is finished. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Blessings.